Well, hello. Good evening. I hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday night. Just real quick, just like I've been telling you, you got to stick with now. Even if you're not in a trade, I would not recommend going against the dollar. This dollar is on a strong trend. It's had a pullback Monday and Tuesday, but it's going to continue. The strengthening trend is going to continue. Now, if you're new to trading, I would not recommend betting against the dollar because what'll happen, and this is from experience, I have decades of experience, especially if you're new to trading. You're getting a trade against the dollar and it'll be going well, going well, going well, and then it'll reverse on you and then it'll keep reversing and continue. Just like I said, it'll like for example, let's say that uh let's look at yen dollar because this was happening earlier this week. All right, you're in the yen dollar and you see that the yen is getting stronger. You see this bar here, that's what this is. I'm snickering, I'm not laughing at people that got sucked into this trade. I'm just laughing because it feels good that I have this experience and I knew better. That's why I'm laughing. It's like a laugh of relief. But anyway, here we go. All right. So I don't know if you can see this well, but you see this thin red line here, right in here, that thin red bar from yesterday. That's what happened. Like I told you, the dollar is going to continue to get stronger. Now, we had this day here that the yen started getting stronger. So, what will happen is if you're new to trading or something, you would think this is a reversal and the yen is getting stronger. Especially if you're in the lower time frames, like the hourly time frame and the 4 hour time frame and all that. If you're into those lower time frames, you'll think that the yen is getting stronger. So what'll happen is you'll get into the trade, you think you're gonna get a profit, and the yen is getting stronger and stronger and stronger, and you'll stay in there, and then all of a sudden it'll reverse on you and reverse. And now your mind's set to where you think the yen is still going to get stronger, and now you're hanging on hope. And then it just reverses and reverses. It's just like here now, we're going into reverse, and now the dollar is getting stronger again. That's what will happen. That's what I mean by psychology management and risk management is you got to watch these trades. So now, just like I was saying, the dollar is going to continue on this strengthening path. As you see here with the yen, euro, and the pound. Now here, it's starting to get weak, but like I said, I would not trade against the pound. I mean, I would not trade against the dollar. I will not sell dollars to buy pound right now, from experience. I'm pretty sure this is going to drop. And the beauty of it is when this drops, it's going to be a nice drop. Reason I say that is you see this big cloud here, how far price action is away from that cloud. And yeah, I drew the lagging span thick, so you'll see how far it is away from that price action. It hasn't not too long broken away from the cloud here either. So you got your lagging span that's broke down. And you see how the conversion line, the baseline being so close, and now they're starting to spread apart. So that means this thing, more than likely, like I said, you can never know what happens in the market from experience. You see how the baseline and the conversion line are starting to point downward, and this price action is far away from the conversion line and baseline. So what more than likely will happen is this conversion line and baseline are still going to continue to go down, and then eventually that baseline will flatten out, and this conversion line and price action will still go down and down and down, and then it will start to level off as well. So the dollar still has a ways to go. If you want to trade against the dollar, make sure you good use good, tight risk management. But as for me, I'm heavily invested in the dollar. And I'm not telling you this because I'm invested in the dollar, because what you do does not affect me. What I do doesn't affect you, and what you do doesn't affect me in the trading industry, believe me. So, believe me when I say that. So, and if it did, I wouldn't even make this video. I'm just making this video. Like I said, I won't teach you, just hold your hand on everything, but I'm going to guide you in the right direction. And I'll always do that. In the right direction right now is, if you're in the dollar trade and you're strong the dollar, just ride it. But if you're not, use proper tight risk management, or just get out of the trade, because this dollar is still on a roll. All right, that's it. I just wanted to make this real quick tonight. So good luck to you, and I will see you next time.